Welcome back, JesseMc here, and today we're going to be doing some skateboarding. Alright, so I was just out here warming up, and I started messing around on my box here. I want to start doing a little series on here. I think I'm going to call it Today I Learned. Depending on how long it takes, I'm going to try and show you every try, just to show the struggle and how I think about it and how I progress at learning a certain trick. And I think filming myself will make me try a little bit harder to actually land it and commit. As for today, I'm gonna try Fakie Nose Slide to Fakie. I ride regular, so that means my left foot's forward. For those of you that don't know, that would be Fakie ollie to a nose slide. Some of you might say back tail. It's up to you, I guess. And then I'm gonna come back to Fakie. I already tried this 3 times off camera as I was warming up. I just kind of flung at it. And on my 3rd try, I actually got into it and slid like a ½ an inch. So, like I said before, I don't think this is gonna take too long. So I'll probably show you most, if not every try. So let's get to it. Like I said, that wasn't too bad. Probably about 20 minutes or so. It wasn't the greatest, but I'll take it for sure. I'll work on it. I think I can get front side half cab out to regular. So I'm gonna give that a couple goes and see how that goes. 2 new learns today. I've never tried either of those tricks. It goes to show you can learn something pretty quick if you know how to make those slight little tweaks to get into that certain trick. If you like what you saw, hit the thumbs up. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe. I'm gonna definitely be doing a lot more of this. I want to try and progress as much as I can this year. So I think filming myself will make me push myself to actually learn some tricks. See you on the next one.